East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongtnger has lauded the Anti-Narcotics Task Force of the district for making significant progress in curbing the narcotics trade in the district. Talking to reporters, he also informed that large quantities of narcotics and psychotropic substances have been seized over the past 5 years, with numerous cases registered against individuals involved in the supply and sale of drugs. While acknowledging the growing drug problem in East Khasi Hills, he emphasized that it would be wrong to suggest the police have not taken action.
But kumba kandai po arngut ni la yo ken kini kila produce la passport court then house name arjar apo ka case lene ka detection ka here that di house name arjar apo ni register ars apo pratli dan police department way ngim la ban rading kong ye kini sne jong ka drugs trend way kini de ka issue jong ka society punya biat lang barquai ki shnong ki thao ki civil society ki sinju promotion ki barquai ki kat ni don ne po no shlong kam tang po shlong city.
The center is likely to table the constitution